Hey guys, so I got the Street Glide in the garage here. I got it up on the lift, and I got a Facebook Marketplace deal that I could not pass up. So right here is the Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 audio that we're going to be putting over here on the Street Glide. So I'm going to do a little audio test before and after with the Stage 3 with the speakers on the lids, and then the upgraded speakers in the fairing, and with the new CarPlay radio. So this should be pretty exciting to see. Alright, so I'm switched over to the GoPro now so that I can show you guys on my phone. So I'm just going to play some sample music. And obviously you're only going to get sound from the front two fairing speakers, because I currently do not have lid speakers. So we'll just try this out. And it may sound a little bit louder because we're in the garage, but now I'm going to turn it up. Neighbors are going to hate that. So that is before I have put the new Stage 3 audio in, and I'm really excited to hear what it sounds like with this. So now, without any further ado, let's get going. So I also got this in the mail, the speaker lids, because that's the only thing the guy didn't have. I'll just keep getting at her, take the fairing off, and then keep adding all this stuff in. So I got the speaker box from the back of the fairing off. This one right here, that's the right side. So now here's the difference between the two speakers. This is the Rockford Fosgate on the left and the factory Harley on the right. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna plug it back in and then put the logo facing downwards like that, and then we'll be good to go. Slap this one back in and then do the same thing to the other side. Out with the old and in with the new. So some progress. I got the new CTS radio in. I have that. The new harness is going to go on. I just put that on for now to make sure the radio works. The new speakers are on. So I tested those. Those work. Next, I got to take the tank off, run the harness over here for the bags, run it up to the amp, put the bracket on for the amp. And, yeah, kind of halfway through, I would say. So just about there. Probably going to wrap it up and finish this up tomorrow. So, some more progress. I took the tank off and whatnot, ran the wiring. Now, I'm doing the saddlebags. Going to get real serious now. Too late to turn back now. Going to be cutting my template for the speaker lids. Gonna put the cover on with the retaining ring, and then gonna drill a hole so that I can run the wiring through. So let's hope this goes well. So this looks pretty good. I took my time, sanded it nice. Going over it with some sandpaper, getting it real smooth. I already got one side on, fits pretty good. So just checking that. Got the cover on. Looks good. So now I'll slap the cover on this one and then run the wiring through and put the speaker on. So I've pretty much got everything all situated with the speakers and everything all installed. Just kind of buttoning everything up. Got the tank back on. Gonna try and button up the wiring right here. And then I'll put it on. And then I'll put the fairing on after, make sure everything is completely all good. I already checked it before, but no harm in checking it again. Make sure it's all tuned in nice, and it should be it. Alright, so pretty much everything's back together. The only thing that I had trouble with was the fuel line coupler right there, the fitting. The O-rings go bad on it, so, I mean, putting it back in, I put a new one on, so nothing too crazy. Definitely kind of sucked to put in. It was, make sure you eat your Wheaties for that. I actually, which I don't know how, good this should have been, was I just pried it up right here a little bit and did a little bit of twisting. So I got her on there. She clicks, she don't leak. It looks good. So now all that's left is pretty much plug in the harness and put the seat on. And I gotta put the fairing on too. Fairing's gotta go on. Alright, so now she's pretty much completely all set. All she needs now is the bath, pretty much. She's a little dirty, been sitting all winter. Now let's fire it up. And this is literally just on the first bar. I got the bags right here. Now let's go up. That's about halfway. Sounds sweet. Wow, so honestly, I bet the video doesn't even do it justice. It's such a big difference from the original speakers. So I'm so happy with it. It's wicked clear. Like even at half volume, it's just so loud. I'm so beyond happy with that. I'm gonna switch over back to my phone. I'm gonna take this thing off the lift, put it outside, gotta clean it, and we'll be ripping it this spring. Can't wait.